Are you a closet cellist? Do you always need lots of sheet music to play? Are you always playing the same old tune? Imagine having the confidence to play for the people you love, being able to play beautiful tunes by heart, having a huge selection of tunes to choose from, and even beginning to write your own tunes. I'm Cliona Niedon, and I'd like to invite you to the Celtic Cello Club. This is a global community of like-minded people who know that music can change the world and who want to play their part. Playing for yourself is wonderful and can be very healing. Sharing your sound with your loved ones and your community can be transformational. The Celtic Cello Club meets monthly for coaching, and this season we have world-class cellists joining us as guest teachers. Amit Peled, Ayanna Witter-Johnson, Eugene Friesen, Alva McDonough, Leah Rankin, and legendary Irish fiddler Martin Hayes. We have a growing resources library that includes teaching videos and practice videos, audio recordings, and sheet music specifically arranged for every level of player. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional looking for a new angle, the Celtic Cello Club has something for you. Join us now. I really look forward to meeting you. See you inside.